a quality inspection system from Bytronic Automation, which can be used to inspect your product for glue defects. It uses thermal cameras and it is installed on the production line where it's a non-invasive system. It doesn't do anything to your product on the line. It takes a thermal image of the camera looking through the cardboard box to see the glue underneath and can detect if glue has not been applied correctly or is not the right size, or to check that the blobs are the correct temperature.